Forests aren't merely a collection of individual trees, but rather a complex biological system of infinite networks functioning together as a single organism. In South Africa, the white milkwood, an enchanting and mesmerizing tree, has adapted to the harsh soils and salty winds of the coast. The twisted and gnarled trunks of the 800-year-old trees open up into hollow canopies that create a tranquil sanctuary of birdsong and insect ambience. Each milkwood is an ecosystem of its own, textured by lichens and mosses and covered with vines that creep towards the patches of sunlight. The humus-covered ground buzzes with microscopic activity. Forest birds weave among the contorted branches, collecting a variety of materials for their forest nests. These indigenous forests cover only a tiny fraction of South Africa and are highly threatened ecosystems that need to be conserved. There are around 10 milkwood forests in the Western Cape of South Africa, with 3 of them occurring in Grootbos Private Nature Reserve, a 5-star luxury lodge and world leader in sustainable tourism. The lodges are built on the edges of 2 ancient milkwood forests, seamlessly blending their architecture among the meandering woodlands. Grootbos is committed to the conservation of these protected trees, having cleared the reserve of all threatening invasive species and restoring the ecosystem through carefully managed programs. Explore these labyrinths with a professional guide and uncover the concealed stories. Discover the secret world of insects hidden among the scattered leaves. Seek out endangered frogs who call these woody worlds home. And indulge in the finest cuisine beneath the glowing canopy of an ancient milkwood forest. See things like you never have before. Grootbos Private Nature Reserve, guardians of an ancient forest.